one man, when they have a facial hair, they have to make it groom. Not make it white.
Amen.
There's some man nasty, they have beard, but they don't wash it, so it beard start to tear away like grass. That's different, you know?
Yeah.
When you wash your beard, keep it clean. Massage it with, get good massage stuff to put in your beard. You don't talk about if you're not on the facial hair. If you eat chuki for your face, you have to put right there. If you have facial hair, you have to put it on. Make it sure.
Amen.
Make it sure.
Amen.
Don't it well, look. So you have to cut off your, when you cut off your look like Echo and Jacob. Make it grow back. I want to get where I come from. So where your Lord like and where your wife like.
True.
The Lord wife look different from the wife.
Amen.
Back then, one grow beard, when we are youth to grow, one little ear, when we get little ear, we say, yes, we are man. Yeah. So we have little ear, yes, we have. Nobody want facial hair as well.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody don't want them face bad. Don't it?
Amen.
Don't it?
Amen.
So you see wisdom of God. Now, if we go in Psalms 133 and 2, say, when God made Moses anoint Aaron, and the Bible says, I roll down upon his beard. I roll down upon his garment. So you know, say Aaron did that beard. Ask nasty Gina when I cut off his beard. Ask it. You know, I would say in the New Testament, the apostle don't teach. But based upon the Old Testament, you know, say any one of the apostles have facial hair.
Yes.
If you don't have none, that's different.
Amen.
How you get me come from?
Amen.
So man clean up all them mustache.
True.
They do it because they want to look young. Huh?
Yeah.
Don't it?
Amen.
Yeah? Well, face is like the grass. You see grass stem from the earth, cover the earth. When you have grass at your home, and you take care of grass, it's so pretty.
Amen.
It's pretty, don't it?
Oh, yes.
You know, sometimes here, but sometimes you take blanket and spray and lay down there. Sometimes people go to a place, you go Wonderland, the grass so pretty.
Yeah, amen.
Don't you spray grass as a woman, then how you not like your husband here?
True, true.
But you like your grass though. You be like a grass.
That's right.
Huh?
Amen.
You know, talk about man when nasty way have all food in a beard, all food beard, all type of thing in a beard. Yeah, I want to feel you get me a cover. Like some Rasta man back home, them go a river and wash their hair.
Yeah.
They can't wash their hair on their pipe, you know, because they lock so tight, so they go a river.
Right.
Yeah, there's some Rasta, them take out they lock moldy.
Yeah.
There's some clean Rasta, you know.
Yeah, oh yeah.
There's some clean Rasta, there's some nasty Rasta.
Yeah, true, true.
They take out the locks, they lock pink.
Yeah, man.
There's some woman